Bismillah, alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. We're talking here about the heavy letters, not about fatha, but it's clear more when we do the heavy letters with sound, like fatha, okay, especially with fatha, okay. So it's very clear when you say a instead of alif, and make it light like this, a and ba and ta and so on. And came to the heavy letters like sad, for example, and say sa, and make it clear with sin, okay, instead of seeing to say sa. And that's the point in heavy and light letters lesson, to make comparison or to make it different, or to say it clear, the sound between sa as light and such as letters sad, okay, and the other letters ba with da, like that. So that's the exercise today, inshallah. Just to remind you, the heavy letters kind of ability or character for some letters, and they are 7 letters. Can you tell me what are they?
The 7 sorry, which 7 letters?
Yes, the heavy letters. Can you tell me what are
heavy letters? Kha, ta,
kha, ta, yes. You can use the picture that I sent you. Let's remember them today, inshallah, together, okay? Yeah.
I mean, shall I tell from here, or is these all these red ones?
Yes, the orange one. Yes, these are the heavy letters. They are 7 letters, okay? These 7 letters.
I was memorizing those khattat, and from there I was telling.
Okay, just I want you to note something. We have ra here. It's not one of the 7 letters, because it's just heavy when it has a fatha and dhamma, okay? But if it has a kasra or a different circumstances with letters before it, that in that case will be light. So because of that, it's not a count among the heavy letters, okay? Okay, so let's start reading the whole letters, and then start with, and then doing heavy letters at finally, inshallah. So let's start. A,
ba, ta, sa.
No, tha,
Tha,
tha.
tha,
Yes.
ja,
Nice.
ha,
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 ha.
ha,
No, like snake sound. This sound, ha,
ha,
ha.
ha,
Not ha with a lot of hair, a lot of air. Do ha,
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 kind of.
ha,
This is what?
ha.
Kha.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Kha,
Yes.
kha,
Yes.
da,
Again?
da,
Da.
za,
Da. This one is da first.
da,
Okay.
da,
And
za,
the.
za,
With your
zal,
tongue. The.
za,
Okay.
ra,
Make it heavy. Ra.
ra,
Okay.
za, sa, sha, sa, da, da,
Nice.
za,
Va.
za,
Va.
za,
Nice.
ain,
Again. Again.
a,
A. Nice.
ra,
Yep.
fa,
Fa. Fa.
fa,
Nice.
ka,
Mm.
ka,
Mm.
la,
Mm.
la,
This one.
ma,
Nice.
ma, na,
Na. Light.
na,
Yep.
wa,
Mm.
a,
Ha.
ya, ha,
Yes.
ya,
Very nice. Say this, yeah, this one, ha, and this one, ha. Ha, ha. Repeat.
yeah. Ha.
Repeat it, please.
This comes deep down,
This
and
comes this comes with air. A lot of air comes from your chest.
yeah.
Okay.
Ah,
يعني kind of you are running so much time, and then your breath comes out desperately.
and saying ha,
Like that.
yeah.
Okay.
Ha,
Ha.
ha,
Exactly. And this one comes like a snake sound, you know, snake sound, like that. Again.
ha,
Exactly. This is it. Ha. And this one comes when you give back your tongue. Okay. Give back.
yeah.
Ha. It's not your tongue who getting back. It's your neck. It's being tidy a little bit. It's your throat. I mean, getting tidy. When you make it tidy, that's ha. And near to it, ayn, doing the same action. Tide your throat. So ha once more.
Ha.
Okay, very nice. So that was like a nice exercise about heavy letters. Now let's start Bismillah, the exercise with words.